Non-chemical pest control methods offer effective and environmentally friendly alternatives to traditional pesticide applications. These methods prioritize the safety of humans, pets, and beneficial organisms while still effectively managing pest populations. In this lesson, we will explore various non-chemical pest control techniques that you can implement in your pest management practices. Let's start with natural repellents and plant-based pest control. Certain plants and natural substances can act as repellents, deterring pests from infesting your property. These natural repellents can be used both indoors and outdoors to keep pests at bay. Lavender and mint. The strong scent of lavender and mint plants acts as a natural deterrent for pests like ants, flies, and mosquitoes. Citrus peels. Citrus peels, such as orange or lemon peels, can help repel insects like ants and spiders. Simply place the peels near entry points or in problem areas. Neem oil. Neem oil is an organic insecticide derived from the neem tree. It is effective against various pests, including aphids, mites, and beetles. Next method is the mechanical methods. Mechanical pest control involves physically capturing or excluding pests from the environment. This approach is highly targeted and minimizes harm to non-target species. Rodent traps, snap traps, live traps, and glue traps are effective for capturing rodents without using chemical baits. These traps can be placed in strategic locations where pests are known to frequent. Once a pest is caught in the trap, it can be removed and disposed of. Insect traps. Sticky traps, pheromone traps, and light traps can help monitor and control insect populations without pesticides. Physical barriers. Installing screens on windows and doors and using netting around plants can prevent pests from entering or damaging specific areas. This method is effective for controlling mosquitoes, flies, and other insects. Ensure that all screens are in good condition, without any holes or tears. And lastly, the DIY non-chemical pest control recipes. You can create your own non-chemical pest control solutions using simple ingredients found in your kitchen or garden. These DIY recipes are safe, cost-effective, and easy to make. First is the homemade ant bait. Mix equal parts borax and powdered sugar. The ants will be attracted to the sugar, but the borax will act as a slow-acting poison. Next is DIY fruit fly trap. Fill a jar with apple cider vinegar and a few drops of dish soap. Fruit flies will be attracted to the vinegar and get trapped in the soapy solution. Last is garlic pest repellent. Crush garlic cloves and steep them in water overnight. Strain the liquid and spray it on plants to repel insects. Non-chemical pest control methods provide effective and sustainable solutions for managing pest populations without resorting to harmful pesticides. By incorporating natural repellents, using mechanical traps and barriers, and creating DIY pest control recipes, you can protect your living or working spaces while safeguarding the environment and the well-being of all occupants. In the next lesson, we will explore the concept of biological pest control, harnessing nature's predators to keep pest populations in check.